Hi there again. I'm Trish Triumpho Sullivan, and I'm here to talk to you today about how to prepare your canvas for painting. And when I say canvas, I mean your surface or your ground. Now, there's different kinds of surfaces or grounds that you can use for painting in oils. The most common is going to be canvas. This is a stretched canvas. You can see there's a wooden frame at the back, and the canvas has been stretched over the wooden frame and stapled. This is my preferred. I like this the best because it's easy to hang with two nails that are even. You can pop it on the wall and you don't need a frame as long as you paint the edges. So that's my favorite. You can also get this type of canvas, which is what we have for free for you guys. We have canvas that's stretched over a piece of cardboard. So it's pretty sturdy. It's hard to hang on the wall without a frame, but you can do it. This is a larger stretched canvas. You can see it comes in some plastic, and you can see the staples along the edge on this one. And of course, like I said, it can also be framed, but you don't have to have it in a frame. Other things that you can paint on besides canvas include cardboard, right? Just a regular piece of cardboard, or wood. This is a piece of plywood, and you can see that it's been used for something else, but of course you can find a piece of wood and you can use this to paint on. However, all surfaces that you paint on must be prepared in advance. And to prepare your surfaces in advance, you need to use what we call gesso. And so here's a bucket of gesso. I'll hold it up to the camera so hopefully you can see the name on it there, right? Gesso, Gesso. And what gesso is basically a primer, right? It primes your painting surface so that your expensive pigments, the ones that you've spent a lot of money on, don't bleed into your ground or your canvas. So that's true for canvas, even if it says it's if it's pre-gessoed. A lot of times commercial canvas will say it's already been gessoed, but take my word for it, you still want to put gesso on. Okay, that's really important that you take care of it, and you put it on all the surface. If you do cardboard, you have to do both sides, right? You can't just do one side. You must do both sides with the gesso. And that's because if you just do one surface, one side, it'll curl up as it dries. You'll get a bent up piece of cardboard like that. You don't want that to happen. You want it to be straight. Cardboard's a great surface to paint on. It's free. You can usually find some nice pieces in the dumpster. And it's very lightweight, so it's portable. And guess what? You can throw it in a frame and no one will ever know that you painted on cardboard. Right? I've done this a lot of times. So this is the basics of what you will need to do that. Also, you'll need a paintbrush. I recommend getting a decent paintbrush from the hardware store, the paint store, that you wash every time you use it, right? So that stays. I've had this paintbrush probably for 20 years. It still is in great shape because I take good care of them. I'll be doing a demo on how to clean your brushes as well, because that's a really important part of this class. But right now, this is a basic paintbrush that you would use for latex or oils. In this case, I solely use it for gesso, right? I just use it for gesso. So I'll show you right now how to prepare your painting surface with gesso. Okay?